First thing we're going to do is set up the user interface. We'll start by renaming the screen. And now we're going to add some organizational components. And what I want you to notice is that this label is actually beneath this row. And now I'm going to add a second row. So what I've got is a row, a label, and a row. And now I'm going to add two images up top. One of these is going to be for the Morse code, and the other will be for the letter. And down below, we're going to put in two buttons, one for dot and one for dash. Now let's rename these so we can keep track of them. Now, normally we don't name rows, but we're actually going to change the name of these rows so we can use those names later. Now, let's set image 1 to be the Morse code, and image 2 is going to be the letter. This label is going to display the user input. And we're going to make this 36-point font. Now this button is going to be our dot, and this button is going to be our dash. Now I want a picture of a dot and a picture of a dash in here, and we're going to need to do a little bit of messing with the heights of these components. So for the row, so I've selected the row here. I'm going to set its height to be 15% of the screen. The button, I'm going to set its height and its width to fill container. And same for the second. So now this is my dash. I'm going to get rid of the text. I'm going to get rid of the background color. And I'm going to set the background picture. And to get a single dot, we're going to use the letter E, which happens to be a single dot. For this button, I'm going to get rid of the text, get rid of the color, and its background picture is going to be the letter T, because that's a single dash.